Hi! This is Janet ng Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make puto na gawa sa giniling na bigas at merong kaning lamig. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ibang puto recipe ko, mas magugustuhan nyo ito. Let's begin! Sa isang bowl, add 2 cups rice. Then rinse nyo lang at least twice or until yung water maging clear siya. Drain, then add water and soak at least 6 hours or overnight. So I soak this overnight and drain, tapos reserve ko yung 1 cup water. Then transfer nyo sa blender ang soaked rice and yung reserve nyo na water and sugar. Then blend nyo lang for about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure na scrape natin ang sides ng bowl. Then add natin ang kaning lamig. Continue blending hanggang maging smooth. This is the texture or consistency na dapat natin ma-achieve. Then strain natin ang mixture. Straining the mixture will give you a much smoother na batter. Then mag-add tayo ng sugar and salt. I-mix nyong mabuti hanggang sa ma-dissolve ang sugar and salt. Then add the baking powder. I-mix nyo lang hanggang sa makombine ang mixture. Do not overmix. So i-rest natin ang batter for about 15 to 30 minutes. While waiting, prepare the molds by greasing with oil or butter. Then fill nyo ng batter yung molds about 3/4 full. Transfer the molds sa steamer pan and make sure na before steaming, kumukulo na yung water. So steam natin for about 20 to 22 minutes. You can test with a toothpick. Some crumbs are okay as long as it is not wet. Greasing with oil or butter will help na hindi mag-stick yung ating cake batter sa molds. You can top it with grated cheese if you like. Ang ating puto batter, you can add flavors if you like. You can add pandan or ube flavor. Siyempre, tinest ko rin siya sa ating traditional na puto molds. So, wag nyo rin lagyan ng cupcake liners yung mga molds kasi didikit lang siya, sayang. So, sa pag-blend naman guys, make sure na i-rest nyo yung blender nyo in between. And that is to avoid overheating. So, this puto recipe ay super soft at sticky, which we need sa traditional na puto. Ang sarap, grabe. Ang dami kong nakain. Kung nagustuhan niyo ang video na ito, don't forget to share. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com. Thanks for watching!